hold me, baby. Well, to love you like I love is should. You're fine, so kind. Got to tell this world that you're mine. That you're mine, like you quit on my thumb. Real never somebody show is fun. Come on, baby, drive me crazy. Mr. Rankin's Great Balls of Fire.
That was Great Balls of Fire from Jerry Lee Lewis from 1957. Coming up next, North Side Girl from J.D. McPherson, my current favourite.
I pull up that scheme all around the north side. She is still a sweet thing, so unsatisfied. Every time I try, crazy about a north side gal. I got some good talk, but not enough game. Ooh, in a sweet thing, oh, ain't it a shame? Every time I try, crazy about a north side gal. Well, she gets colder every time I try to hold her. Pleasantly saying no to older younger gentlemen. All of them try. They're crazy about a north side gal. I got some money and some wheels to drive. Oh, beat up guitars and a whole season dive. Every song I sing, it swings about a north side gal. Well, she gets colder every time I try to hold her. Pleasantly saying no to older younger gentlemen. All of them try. They're crazy about a north side gal. Well, I said they're crazy about a north side gal. 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 Well, they're crazy about a north side gal. Crazy about a north side gal. Crazy about a north side gal. Crazy about
You're listening to Ian Cullen on the Sound of Salford. If you want a dedication, he'd gladly do it for you. But I don't know whoever let him do this show.
Thanks for that. Next up, a bit of Bo Diddley with Who Do You Love?
I walk 47 miles of barbed wire. I use a cobra snake for a necktie. I got a brand new house on the roadside, made from rattlesnake hide. I got a brand new chimney made on top, made out of a human skull. Now come on, take a little walk with me, Arlene, and tell me, who do you love? 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 Tombstone hand and a graveyard mind. Just 22 and I don't mind dying. Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? I rode around the town, use a rattlesnake whip. Take it easy, Arlie, don't give me no lip. Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? sky was blue. Down the alley, ice wagon flew. Hit a bump and somebody screamed. You should have heard just what I seen. Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Arlene took me by my hand. She said, ooh, wee, boy, you know I understand. Who do you love, honey? Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love?
That's pretty much it. Now we're getting ready for wrapping up and getting off home. But next up, England's answer to Elvis. Cliff Richard with Move It.
Come on, pretty baby, let's move it and groove it. Well, shake, oh baby, shake, oh honey, please don't lose it. The rhythm that gets into your heart and soul. Let me tell you, baby, it's called rock and roll. They say it's gonna die, but honey, please let's face it. Well, they just don't know what's going to replace it. Yeah, ballads and calypsos have got nothing on. Real country music that just drives along. Well, hello, movie. Baby, let's move it and groove it. Shake, oh baby, please don't lose it. It's rhythm that gets into your heart and soul. Well, let me tell you, baby, it's called rock and roll. They say it's gonna die, but honey, please let's face it. They just don't know what's going to replace it. Ballads and calypsos have got nothing on. A real country music that just drives along. Honey, move it. Hey, move it. Honey, move it. Honey, move it.
Coming up next, my favourite little Tokyo trio. it for this week. If you've enjoyed yourself, you've listened to the sounds of Salford Rock and Roll with Ian Cullen. If you've not enjoyed the show, you've listened to Radio Sunscreen. Which just leaves me now with the job of playing out with our usual.
You snickering floppy-eared hound. When courage is needed, you're never around. Those medals you wear on your moth-eaten chest should be there for bungling at which you are best. So stop the pigeon, 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 stop the pigeon. Ow!